So I guess now that you have a few applications, you know, and you're a bit further down the road with the printers, what materials are you typically printing with now, and why are you using those?
So we print with just onyx and the carbon fiber reinforcement. We have quite a long material qualification process. So once we made our selection, we kind of figured, okay, we're going to stick with it and not change too much from this for now whilst we're getting on our feet. But the reason we picked those was because, yeah, we were after the technical polymers. So we were looking at nylon, and then when we saw Markforged and onyx, we saw that was okay. That could be a good technical polymer for us to use. And the carbon fiber reinforcement for us, because we're trying to compete with aluminium or other metal fixtures, the carbon fiber reinforcement works well for us there. So we don't tend to deviate too much from those two options. Although I know there are a huge amount of potential in the other things. We've not exhausted the number of applications yet.
Yeah.